Hey everyone. So I wanted to come back to this example really quickly. Last night at the very end of class, we were working through this second example on the savings annuities, and I realized at the end that I actually left a set of parentheses out. So I multiplied the deposit first here rather than subtracting the one first, because that should have been in the second set of parentheses. So I wanted to take a look back at this and correct this. Certainly, if I make a mistake, I will own it and correct it. So we have a deposit of $1,500 a month for 30 years. We have an investment of 6.5% compounding monthly, and we want to know what our end amount, the piece of N, what our retirement will be. Let's see. So here's the actual calculation. I should have had the second set of parentheses on the outside, and I did not. So when I jumped to the next screen, I was following the wrong order of operations. And I wanted to correct that, so I'm going to start with 0.065, and I divide that by 12. I add on 1, did everything in the parentheses, the first set of parentheses. I'm going to raise that to the 360th power. That's 30 times 12 there. And then I'm going to subtract the 1, not multiply by 1,500 yet. Now I'd like to multiply by 1,500. And then I divide by the denominator. So I'm going to put this in parentheses, 0.065 divided by 12. And that should give me the correct answer of $1,659,267.13. Remember to round to the second decimal place. So I think at the end of class somebody said, do you subtract the 1 first or multiply by the deposit first? And I had switched them on this example and wanted to make sure that I clarified that for you all. So I hope you have a great weekend, and I hope this helps. Thanks.